Happy holidays. Lots of questions about how to avoid sugar during the holidays. So here's a big tip. It doesn't change. It's not different. The only difference is that people are trying to shove sugar in your face all season long, starting with Halloween and going all the way through New Year's. It's sugar, fats, alcohol. It's just crazy. So, but everyone wants to hear something different. Like, what can I do to avoid getting sick and eat all this during the holidays? You can't. It doesn't change. The rules for health don't change. So what you have to do is either understand that and find a way to stick to what you normally do, or do what I do and use a little hack, which is I just find a way to make the foods that are unhealthy healthy. So make healthy food taste good, in other words. So I have recipes for keto brownies, or I add monk fruit to things to sweeten them instead of sugar. I did sweet potatoes and I sprinkled a little bit of cinnamon and erythritol on the top, or you can do monk fruit on the top. They taste sweet. They were amazing. And no one noticed they didn't miss anything. So you find those little hacks. And I actually have on my website, tanaamen.com, you'll find recipes for the holidays specifically for that. So happy holidays. Don't get so out of control that you have to start all over in January. Follow a 90-10 rule and you'll be okay.